Every time I pull my hair, was any outfit that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? But boys are later.
So today, I will be asking a player about his image. So, what's your name?
My name is Joshua Regalado.
And how
I'm 10 years old.
And by the way, what is your favorite sport?
Basketball.
What are the benefits or significance of indulging yourself to that activity?
Pagdula ako, pagdula kan basketball is kuha juga mga maka-gain ka og mga kusog sa imong mga muscles o sa imong mga legs. Maka-kuha ka mga kusog sa kuha sa gawson ka mga singo.